Hello friends. So today we are going to discuss about increasing the profit. How to increase profit in manufacturing. In manufacturing a product, in manufacturing a item. So my dear friend, don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is in the name of Ashish Agarwal Corporate Trainer. So there is a big question: how to make more and more money in manufacturing? How to generate more and more profit, which is a key concept in any manufacturing company. So we are going to discuss how company makes more money in manufacturing. So as I told you, the key concept is profit. We need to think about how we can increase the profit in manufacturing. So first of all, we need to learn the different components of the profit. There are three components of the profit. One is sales price. Another component, important factor, we can say that is the volume, sales volume, how much we are selling. And third part is cost of manufacturing. So these are three important components to make more and more money in manufacturing. So now we are going to discuss different approaches which are being followed or which can be followed to make more money. Basically there are three approaches which are being used by different manufacturers to earn more money from the business. The first one is increase the sales price. The second one is increasing the sales volume, producing more and more number of parts. And third one is lower the cost. Lower the cost, which? Manufacturing cost. So we are going to discuss all three approaches, which is the most effective one to earn more money from the manufacturing, to become a global or become a market leader in manufacturing sector. So we will start with the first approach, increase the sales price, which one is the simplest approach followed by most of the customers. It is very easy. But there are some conditions applied. Other competitors, resistance of the consumer, reduction in the share of the business. So this idea is not a good one. It looks very simple, easy to implement. We can increase the sales price unilaterally. But dear friends, sales prices are decided by the consumer. It is ultimately decided by the marketplace because there is a competition. So due to the competition, it leads us to keep the selling price competitively in the market. So it is very hard to raise the price. Often our customers, they expect more and more discount. So there is only one condition, or you can say, if we have a monopoly of the product in the market, if our product is having a very unique product, if it is a highly desirable product, maybe due to the brand image also, that others cannot easily duplicate, like Apple brand. So this approach may be possible in the short run because your competitor may come up with a better option. So this option is not viable even in long term for most of the company. Now we are going to discuss the second approach, increase the sales volume. To increase the profit, can we increase the sales volume? It is possible up to some extent by putting more and more marketing efforts. to hit the peak of the demand. So what you need? You need more and more investment in selling the volume. Like you need more number of dealers, distributors, sales outlet, salesperson. So there may be a balance between investment and the profit. You need to put more and more marketing effort to increase the sales volume. So if you want to make more number of units, if you want to sell more number of units in the market, there are two conditions apply. There is a limitation. You cannot produce more number of products overnight, because if you want to increase the capacity, you have to set up, you may be required to set up a new plant, new production line. So you cannot change the schedule overnight suddenly. There may be shortage of raw material also, there may be shortage of manpower, there may be shortage of machines, there may be shortage of facility. And another big question is, can you control the market in a long term way? Unless until your product is having some special distinguished feature. So as a producer, as a manufacturer, we cannot just make as many as part as we would like to sell in the market. Now there is a third approach, which is the most difficult approach to increase the profit. Decrease the cost of manufacturing. It is very difficult. So we need to alter our production system, production method, so that we could decrease the cost of manufacturing. So to reduce the cost of manufacturing, what we need to do? We need to use the resources very, very effectively, like machine, equipment, material, parts, labor. Go with the process of just in time, only produce what is necessary. So we need to eliminate all the elements which are related to non-value added items with the perspective of the customer. So we need to eliminate various type of wastages. Either we need to optimize the wastage, reduce the wastage, or eliminate the wastage, so that we could increase the ratio of those items that add value to the customer. We need to think with the perspective of the customer. Any customer do not want to pay for any repair, rework, readjustment, inspection, multiple handling. So my dear friend, it is hard to raise our prices unilaterally, or we cannot increase the volume unilaterally. Suppose we store the items, product in a very, very large quantity in our warehouse. It is a useless thing. We have to bear the inventory carrying cost unless until we are able to sell the product. So the only approach we have, we need to reduce the cost of manufacturing. We need to focus on the way we manufacture. So constantly we need to focus on elimination every little bit of the waste. We need not to think for very big, small thing. Even saving of 1 minute, saving of 1 step, saving of 1 gram of the weight. So here are some actions which leads to increased cost in your work area. Just to give you some clue about reducing the cost of the manufacturing, these are the elements that make up the cost of a product. The labor, man hours, overtime, raw material, generation of the scrap, stoppage of the machine due to downtime, due to breakdowns, various reasons of downtimes are there. Waiting, machine is waiting, labor is waiting, manpower is waiting, walking, other non-value added motion, doing inspection again and again, inventory of work in progress, finished good inventories, MRO items, maintenance, repair and overhauling items like spare part for equipment machines to do the maintenance, repair and overhauling activity. Shortage of the parts, shortage of the material, and doing the monitoring follow continuously. So these are some of the elements that make up the cost, that increase the cost of manufacturing. So all these influence, if we are using any resource more than the minimum amount, that is the waste, that we need to consider. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is in the name of Ashish Agarwal Corporate Trainer. So this is just beginning only. This is not the end. So if you like this video, don't forget to like this video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.